In the world of healthcare, logistics, and retail, one bad EDI file can halt an entire transaction. Errors hide in segments. Compliance issues go unnoticed. And by the time you find them, the damage is done. Introducing the Online EDI Validator, a powerful, free tool by EDI Generator. Built for developers, analysts, and EDI professionals who need fast, accurate X12 validation without the hassle. Simply upload or paste your X12 EDI file. The validator instantly checks it against standard X12 specifications, detecting structural errors. No setup. No installation. Works right in your browser. Validate instantly. Catch errors before they cause costly failures. Ensure full X12 compliance. And accelerate your EDI workflows, all from one simple, online interface. Stop guessing. Start validating. Try the Online EDI Validator today for free.